Hello guys, what's up and welcome to the new tutorial from the SketchUpArchStudio. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can create some urban design rendering in Enscape for SketchUp. So we have some simple bus station in here which is designed by the SketchUpArchStudio, and you can see the details of it, very simple and easy. And this is the environment that we have in here. So I'm going to click on the start Enscape in here. It will take some time, and after that you can see 3D real-time visualizing screen on your scene and software. So first of all, you need to check out your materials, and after that you need to update your asset library for the scene in here. So everything is done for me, and I only want to add some trees and objects in my environment. So first of all, I need to click on the visual setting and change the quality of my job from the high mode to the draft mode, because I use some low config system. So I'm going to click on the Enscape asset library in here, and I'm gonna select the category to the vegetation. So I'm going to change it to the vegetation, and I will use some type of tree, not important which type of version of it. So I'm going to check out the trees in here, and I need some type of special tree. For example, something maybe like this can be good, or maybe this one. It completely depends on you and what you want from your render, but I think something like that is good. So I'm going to add it to this environment in here. Click on the selecting objects, select my object in here, and I can check the environment of it. Everything is good, and now I'm going to click on the apply changes. So my tree added to my screen, very simple and easy, something like that, and it exactly works in these circles, and it's really enjoyable. So I'm going to add some personage and objects for my job, but I don't know how. So I will click on the tags, clear all, and after that I'm going to change the category to the people. But if I want to find some special people which only sitting, it's really hard work. So you can filter it by check out the sitting in here, and it will show you only personage will sit in the station. I think someone like that is good. Don't worry about the direction of them. Someone like that, and another one like this, and another one like this. Or maybe this one's better. So I'm going to check it in here, click on the selection, and start rotating and selecting all of them, something like that. But in this place I need to rescale it a little bit, someone like this. Apply changes. It takes a bit of time, and after that it will generate for you. But we have some problems in the detailing, so I'm going to remove this object from here, and after that I'm going to click on the apply changes, and after that I'm going to turn back to the SketchUp, click on it, and reduce the height of it a little bit, not too much. For example, some number about maybe 3 is good, another 3 in here, and I'm going to close the groups. Select this object, click on the scale, and I'm going to rescale it to this place. So everything is done. I'm going to select this one, rotate it like that, move it, very simple, to this place. Another one, rotate it like that, click on the move option. It works much faster than the Enscape asset toolbar. And the last one is here. I'm going to rotate it like that and move it to this place. So everything is good. I can rescale this guy a little bit, not too much, something like that. And if I come back to the Enscape environment, I can see the changes, very simple and easy in here. So this is my metro station in here. Lighting have some special problems, but we can fix them out. So I want to change the category from the sitting to the children. Maybe it's much better, child. And I need need some child like that, a school child, something like this. Click on the apply changes. So I'm going to select it, rotate it a little bit, apply changes, and I think everything is done. I'm going to change the category to the vehicles, and in here we have some special type of things. For example, when I go downside, I can see this bus in here, or some type of simplified bus in this place. I prefer to use that one. So I'm gonna click in this place, rotate it 90 degree like that. It takes a little bit of time, and I'm gonna move it a little bit to the back side, something like this. Only I want to cover the frame of my job, so something like that is really wonderful. Alright, everything is done in here, and now I only want to relight my screen. So I'm going to press F on my keyboard, click on the create view, and I want to create some sharp and realistic view for myself. So I'm going to change the pitch to the 0, and the eye is about 90 degree. I want to unlink it. The name of it is 1. And XYZ is not really important, but Y is about 1.7. It's my eye height. So about the azimuth and altitude, if I play with the azimuth, I can change the time of the day. Maybe something like that is really special. And about the altitude, I can change it. Something maybe near to the morning can be really good. Maybe something like that. No, maybe this one is much better. Control plus U and I can change the time of the day. Sorry, sun's angle and position. I like these type of shadows. So I'm going to click on the create bar in here. Camera 1 created for me. I'm going to turn on the safe frame, and I will click on the visual setting. Start with the sky. I don't need any type of density, variety, and size amount about the clouds. I need some white cubes for the better reflection. I will come back to the main bar, turn off the auto exposure, and you see what's really happening in your job. It's not really good. So I prefer to move a little bit to the right side, increase the exposure manually, 66. I want to focus a little bit in here. 62 is good. I'm going to add some outline for making it more graphical. Depth of field is really important, so I'm going to turn off the autofocus and play with the focal point in this place. So focal point can be reduced in here. In the image bar, I need auto contrast. I need a little bit cold temperature and a little bit desaturated colors. If you desaturate it to the 0%, it's really suitable for portfolios or some other type of graphical text and designs. So I think 99 is good. Bloom is not really important, so I can reduce it. Lens flare is not really important. Motion blur is not really useful, and chromatic is not really useful too. So in the atmosphere, everything is checked for us. I don't want to change the detail, but shadow sharpness can be increased, and you can see the changes. Or if I decrease it, we will have some soft shadows. I prefer to hold soft shadows. If you want to see the detail of these three, you can increase the shadow sharpness. And I'm going to click on the screenshot, save it on my desktop, and call it station. And I'm going to press save. As you can see, we created these bus station very simple and easy, only in a few minutes. If I open the render, I can see the details of it very simple, like that. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. If this content is useful for you, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your time, and goodbye.